students, welcome back to OG Basic Mathematics, where we make math simple. We have this before us to simplify today. So to find the perimeter of the figure below. And this is more or less like a trapezium or something like that. But this is a compound shape, of course. We have a triangle and then a rectangle. And we are told to find the perimeter. We have a CD to be 2 cm, and we have AD to be 13 cm, and we have from here to here, we can call here A, B, C, D. We can call here E. Okay, we have DE to be 12 cm, and we are told to find the perimeter of the square, of the diagram. And the figure here, we should know that from here to here and here to here, E, D, C, B, or B, C, D, E is a rectangle. Why did I know that it's a rectangle? Here and here are equal, while here and here are equal. As far as here is 12 cm, here will also be 12. As far as here is 2, here will also be 2. So we have here to be 2 cm. Okay, the two opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. So if here is 12, here will also be 12 cm. Okay, if here is 2, here will also be 2 cm. So having gotten that, we have a CD, we have a BC, we have a BE, and we have a DE. And we have a AD. The only thing we have left is AE, which is from here. Is from here, these two areas, here to here. Okay, is what we have left. Okay, if you look at the upper part of it, you see that from here, from ADE, is a right angle triangle. Okay, for we to get AE, we use what is called Pythagoras theorem. We use what is called what? Pythagoras theorem, which says that let's draft it out now. We have it to be like this. We have it to be like this. This is how it is now. Okay, let's draft it out. This is D, this is A, and this is E. Okay, we have here to be 13 cm. Okay, and we have here to be 12 cm. Okay, and now we are looking for this place. So in Pythagoras theorem, the longest part of a right angle triangle is always called the hypotenuse, which is usually denoted with A. This is opposite and this is adjacent, and it's always directly opposite the right angle. Okay, the hypotenuse is always direct opposite the right angle. Okay, so for we to get this result now, the formula for this is A, which is the hypotenuse, the longest part, A squared equal to B squared plus C squared. Okay, so now we're going to name it. We have the longest part already, A. Any side could be adjacent, any side could be opposite. And here is B, and this is C. Okay, we have our C, we have our A, we are looking for B, which means we are going to make B the subject of the formula. So what we have becomes B squared equal to A squared minus C squared. Okay, then what will we have now? B equal to, when we find the square root of both sides, equal to this, A squared minus C squared. Okay, so we substitute. We have our B now to be square root of 13 squared minus 12 squared. Okay, so 13 squared will be, which means we have a square root of 169 minus 144. Okay, so B becomes this is 5 and this is 2, so we have square root of this, and B becomes a square root of 5 times 5, and B becomes 5 cm, which means that B here is 5 cm. Now we can find the gotten B to be 5 cm. We'll look for the perimeter of the figure, which we have to be. The perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So we have P to be, we have 13 plus 2 plus 12 plus 2 and then plus 5. We're not going to use this because it is inside. Perimeter is just the distance around the object. So we can solve now. This plus this is 15. 15 plus this is 15 plus 12 is 27. And this is 29. And this is 34. It means that P is 34. And that is how 34 cm, of course. That is how it is resolved, friends. Thanks for watching Very Basic Mathematics. Please do like, share, and also comment.